Hi friends, welcome to Ivera channel. Today we are going to learn family law. To get highest marks, you need to verify the previous section with the section 13 of a Hindu Marriage Act HMA 1955. This section provides the legal fault-based grounds for ending marriage. This is also known as a grounds of divorce. You can score the to 12 marks. I give an answer for the 12 mark questions. Fault grounds available to both husband and wife. These was available for both husband and wife. The standard grounds under section 13 class 1. Here are these are the adultery, cruelty, dissertation, conversation, unsoundness of mind, leprosy or venereal disease, reunifications, presumption of death. Having vulnerability, sexual intercourse with any person other than the spouse, cruelty, both physical and mental cruelty. Case law has to study was Sayal and Charla. Dissertation, abandoning the spouse for a continuous period of at least 2 years without a reasonable cause. Conversion. Conversion means ceasing to be a Hindu by converting to another religion. Unsound of mind, incurable mental disorder that makes living together impossible. Leprosy or venereal disease in a communicable form. For the note, leprosy was recently removed as a ground in some amendment, but check your local university stands as it often still in a textbook. Reunification entered the religious order becoming sannyasi, like someone became a sannyasi that like. Presumption of death. Spouse has not been had being alive for 7 years or more. Sometimes spouse, one of the spouse will be disappear that like more than a 7 years, known as a presumption of death. Exclusive. Second, we have to section 13 class 2 was exclusive ground. It was available only for a wife. Where a wife has additional protection in this section. Bigamy, rape, sodomy, bestiality, non-resumption of cohabitation, repetition of marriage. Bigamy means if the husband marry again while the first marriage was still subsisting. Rape, sodomy, or bestiality committed by the husband since the marriage. Rape, non-resumption of cohabitation. If maintenance was paused and they haven't lived together, they if a person not take care of the family or disagree to cohabitation, that is more than 1 year, haven't lived together, that is in a come here under the non-reception of cohabitation. Repetition of marriage. If she was married before the age of 15 and she rejected the marriage to 15 before turning into the 18. So after the 18 you cannot reject this marriage. Third point was the no fault ground. Section 13b. This is a divorce by mutual consent. First point was both parties must live separately for 1 year. They must jointly file a petition stating they cannot live together. There is a 6-month cooling off period which the Supreme Court recently ruled can be waived in extreme cases like Amardeep Singh vs. Harvind Kaur. You have to write this case. And now after this I give a tips for the exam. Okay, how to write this in the exam for maximum marks. Start with sections. Section 13 of HME 1955 deals with the dissolution of marriage. Definition of cruelty. Mention that cruelty isn't just a hitting. It's include mental torture like constant insulting and denying of food. That like. Third point, you must write an explanation of dissertations. You must mention the two elements: factum dissertity, that act of living, and animus dissertity, the intention to live permanently. Then you have a case law tip. You have to city Dastani was Dastani for equality. It is the most famous case in Indian family law. Okay, thank you students for hearing that. If you want to, if you like this, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. And all the best for your exam. Thank you. Bye.